Okay everyone, I have some wireless headphones here for a 2019 Honda Odyssey. So I just wanted to go over how to replace the batteries. Very simple. So on here, you see the straight head screw. Alright, it's not focused. Anyway, it's right there. Right here. You just take that screw off. I've already taken this off. You just take the screw out, and there's the batteries. Replace the batteries, stick them back in. Just replace the batteries, put the screw back in, and you're good to go. And then here's this one with the batteries just changed. Alright, if you found that helpful, go ahead and subscribe. As I own this van, I'm going to make videos randomly as things happen. Okay, thank you.